Hello, Gunpla fans. It's Speedball Harlow, and today I got for you guys once again more of my retail delayed Pbandai deliveries. And for those who aren't aware of what I'm talking about, simply put, a bit of delays that Pbandai had a while back and are now finally coming out. Simply put. And of course, perfect timing being that today is, of course, Black Friday. So that was definitely interesting getting all my shopping done. And then I come home and these are waiting for me. So let's get right into it. Oh, and before I forget this, because I know I will, I hope those who, of course, shop at the USP Bandai were able to get their hands on some of the, well, big holiday listings they had yesterday, like the with the RE Lindworm, the Shiki Crash, the RGG3s, the 00 RG7 sword units, and so on. I hope many were able to get their hands on some, because I know a lot of fans were interested in the what was it? Oh, the Zaku Cannon Master Grade that was up. That was a surprise to me because I was expecting like some more Gundam based stuff or things like that. But an older Master Grade like those definitely was definitely a change of pace and definitely a nice one too. It's always nice to get some. We even got the RG 007 sword. Forgive me if I mispronounce this. Interceptor, which is a really nice one because that's the red version of the 00, and we don't get that kit often. And the only versions we ever get are, of course, Pbandai onlys. So definitely sweet. And of course, I hope those who did participate were able to use the coupon codes that Pbandai had available. And of course, there are still many kits still available from the event still. And of course, the coupons are still usable until, I believe it was until the 28th or the 30th of this month. Of course, if you are interested, I will post a link in the description to check out if you want. Let's see what this box is. It's small, so I don't think it's going to be a big thing. So, and it is the RG Hyper Mega Bazooka launcher for the RG Hi-Nu Gundam, which is awesome because, and this brought up another point, this has also been relisted on the Pbandai site if you are interested, just so you know. But yeah, I got this, of course, because just like most builders now are trying to get their hands on the Hi-Nu and all that. So, of course, I picked this up a while back to, if I ever get a chance to grab one, because I didn't get a chance to grab some of the first waves that have been listed for pre-orders, but I do intend to get one. Or I might try this on my regular new. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, it's definitely a nice, and it's a pretty big box. Wow, this is like full high grade size. Interesting. Especially for just a cannon weapon. That's saying something. Alright, let's see. Okay, let's go with this one. Another small one, meaning it's most likely going to be one kit if I had to guess. And of course, a buttload of bubbles. That's the one thing you gotta love about Pbandai with these shipments. They definitely make sure your kit is safe with all these. Alright, let's see. More bubbles, and it is... Oh, actually there is two kits, I can feel them. Alright, let's see what the first kit is. And this is... Oh, finally! The RX-78-2 Gundam PR Ambassador of Japan's Pavilion Expo 2020 Dubia. And of course, for those who aren't aware, this was a special event RX-78 recolor and retool of the, I believe it's the Revive. It's been a while since I read this one. But yeah, this is a really nice one because this was, of course, this isn't even from retail. This is from the Expo event that we had. Though I will mention now is, I believe, available still right now because it was relisted with the holiday sale event for Pbandai. So yeah, and of course I had to pick one up because this was from the special 5th wave at the Expo. So yeah, this was a definitely awesome kit. I have got so many RXs this year. This is funny. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm right, and I'm not. Yep, I thought so. I remember I ordered 2 of these for a special reason, but yeah, alright, that's pretty cool. I didn't even know that was shipped. I was wondering where the heck that went. Because all my other stuff was delivered, but I was wondering where that was going to be shipped. Because I'm still missing one other, not Expo order, but I am missing a Gundam Base exclusive kit from one of my older orders. Which, alright, hold on. Sorry about that. Let's see what's in this bigger box. Well, let's see. Wow, you gotta wonder where they get all these from. Yeah. Alright, that's out of the way. Okay, here's one, right? Wow, that's a bigger box than I thought it would be. And that is, sir, hold on one second. Sorry, guys. I want to make sure there's enough room so you can see this. And that is, of course, the ME02RF02 Messer Type F02. That's a mouthful. And of course, this is the MAFT mass production unit, and of course from the Gundam Hathaway's version movie. And yes, this is the Pbandai version of the Messer, which is a definitely nice one because I didn't get the retail one, but I'm actually pretty glad I didn't, since this one's pretty much that and another reason. And if I'm right, let me double check. And yes, I was. One second, guys. I'll just show it. And that is because of this. This is, of course, the other Pbandai Messer Type F02, and this is, of course, the command type. And specifically, this is like the recolor version we saw in the OVA itself. So it's definitely nice that this was of course, announced and released. Though I am surprised with the box size. This is a pretty big box. Give me 1 second, guys. There you go. So now you can see a little better. My bad. But yeah, this is a bigger box. But yeah, of course I picked these up because I had heard a lot of things about the Messer, and when the Pbandai versions were announced, I want to check them out. That, and because these versions are different from the retail ones, being that they do have custom parts and new sections that the retail version does not. So yeah, that's it for today. So 1 second. And here you go, guys. This was today's Pbandai, and I guess you could say Black Friday delivery. So yeah, I can't wait to get working on these guys as soon as I can. And of course, I'm interested in checking out some comparisons with certain kits, and of course some fun ideas with other ones. So yeah, I thank you all for coming. I hope you all get a chance to enjoy all the sales and events from Premium Bandai. And of course, I'm excited for next month, pre-Bandai, because there's a number of kits that already been announced that hopefully will be listed next month for the US shop. So yeah, I thank you all for coming, enjoying your hobby, as I always say, and yeah, that's about it. So thank you.